In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel.
Pivot. Now let's say this is our data, but we don't want so many information, or we want to look at this data in a different way or a different order, right? So what do? We can use our own pivot table, which is a customized table of this data, right? So how do we do that? Click on any cell, insert, pivot table. Then we have to select our range, Control Shift, right, down. So all the data is selected. You can see the data here, data range here. Okay. So now all the headings are here. Now what do we want to do? So we want to, let's say, filter our data as per year. So we'll put a filter, report filter on top. Then we want to see region-wise total sales and region-wise total profit, for example. So region we'll put in row. So now all 4 regions are listed here together. And let's say we want sales total. So in the values, we'll put sales. Now here there is sum automatically selected. If not, you can select this value field settings and select sum from here. Similarly, you can also use count, average, min, max, whatever functions you want to use. So if you see, we have got our answer. Region wise sales. Now if we want to filter a particular year only, if we want to look at, let's say only 2002, so these are sales of 2002 all. So these are sales of all 4 regions. So we can customize this data and look at what we specifically want from this pivot table. This is very, very important, and it comes really handy.
You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.